Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Hi, this is Amit, and we are here to promote QuickBooks for the learning purpose. This is for US customers who are into accounting and they use QuickBooks. So just to start with, the first topic I would be taking is the pricing for the QuickBooks and where you can buy it, right? So to start with, you can see that I'm typing www.quickbooks.com, press enter. So it redirects to the Intuit website where QuickBooks is actually an Intuit product. So the first screen which comes up and it talks about welcome to Intuit. That means it is asking us to redirect the site to US, not Indian. So I'll be clicking on visit the US site. So as of now, I'm into QuickBooks.com US site, right? Not Indian. So if you talk about products and features, you have accounting, advanced accounting. These all are the products they have, which they include payroll as well. Like you can do automatic payroll and all. So now if I talk about, if I scroll it down, we'll talk about the desktop QuickBooks first, right? And how we can go for it, I'll tell you. We will scroll it down till the end, and then I'll be clicking on QuickBooks Desktop here. QuickBooks Desktop, where I can see all the products the Intuit has got for QuickBooks Desktop PC. Again, it's asking me where you want to go. I'll say visit the US site. And work on desktop is something where I can see there are two products here, which is QuickBooks Desktop Premier Plus and Enterprise. The cost of the QuickBooks Premier Plus, which is actually an yearly, you can see that $799 per year. That is excluding taxes. So if you talk about, let me scroll it down, or let me tell you about the features they have, right? Enterprise is actually for the enterprise companies, big companies, where they have 40 users. Like 40 users can sit together and they can work on one data file. And the premier version is something which is, you can see that includes 5 users. 1 to 5 users can work with QuickBooks Premier Plus, right? And you can create a company file for your accountant as well. Like inside QuickBooks, you have an option to give the file to your accountant and you can bring it back to us. So the third one option is invoicing. You can do invoicing, and you can do accept payments directly to your account, and also or maybe if you would like to, you can take the payments later on. So the fourth one would be the tax deductions, where it will you can deduct the taxes. You can create a report accordingly. You can see that on the right hand side, and that's a receipt capture. Again, you have it there. You can create receipts and all, bills, estimates, bills. You can create bills for your vendors, and then you can receive payments. I'll make another video later on, after a few videos connecting to it. Then it's time tracking is for your employees, where you can calculate time and what time they have punched in, and what time they have logged into your company. You can arrange that accordingly. Then inventory management in the end. Inventory is something which the goods you purchase for your company, you arrange them accordingly to the inventory, right? That's the cost of the QuickBooks, $799 plus tax. If I click on learn more here, yeah, so learn more, and you have an option where you can buy it online. Buy it online means you can click on buy now. If I click on buy now, you have an option here. You can see that it gives you an option to buy payroll as well. If you want to do online payroll with QuickBooks, inside the QuickBooks, you can do it from here. And if I no, I don't want that, so I'll be clicking on continue without payroll. Payroll costs $500 per year, and including that, if you have direct deposit activated, that's $5 per employee. As you can see, this is the amount you have it. I have two quantities, so I'll be removing one. The actual cost you can see here is $7.99. I'll highlight that. That's just want to inform you, that's for the premier version, right, not enterprise. And if I click on checkout, I'll be filling up the details for my company Intuit account. Yeah, that's good. The page comes with for the Intuit account. If you don't have Intuit account, you have to sign in here. You need to create it here. It says create an Intuit account, enter your email, phone number, password, and create an account there. And that redirects you to the payment page where you can pay the amount, and you can proceed further accordingly. So here the other version I'll be talking about is the enterprise version. As I spoke earlier, the actual cost is $1,269 per year, $1,269 per year. That's the annual subscription base, right? 40 users can work at the same time, and which is actually good for employees, which is I mean, they have a quantity of 10 or above. And it has got many features, includes the incomes and expenses. You can create invoicing and all, and you can accept payments accordingly. And if you talk about tax deductions, it's the same. Reporting is same. The cash receipt, you can create that. Sales and sales tax, you can calculate. You can add sales tax to your invoices. And then if you talk about estimates comes in when you're giving estimate to your vendor. And 1099 is for the contractors, for your vendors. That's the expenses calculation. If you talk about 1099 form, it's embedded in the software itself, where you can e-file the 1099 contractors as well. So here you have e-commerce integration, bill management. Bill management is something, again, comes with for the vendors. You create bills for your vendors, and then you receive payment. You pay the amount to the vendors, right? So that's how all the features you have. Now you also have one option where you can go for the cloud as well. Like they have their own right networks where you can use QuickBooks inside the right networks, and it works like a cloud, right? So here you have the batch invoicing is there again. Customize, access, build in payroll. Payroll will work the same way as it will work with Premier QuickBooks. And again, there are many other options as well. You have it there. Reporting is one of the main features they have. Inventory management is, again, they have inside the enterprise itself. And database managers always be the part of that. So here I'll be ending the information here. You can talk to sales rep as well on this number, where if you would like to buy it on phone or not online, right? And other products I'll talk later on. Like they have options for online QuickBooks. That is something which is web based. You open the browser, you just write down the URL for QuickBooks Online. You just pay it monthly or yearly, right, or 3 months, right? So that's an option. You have it. You log in on the web based, where you're traveling, you're sitting in a park with a laptop or on your phone itself. You can log in and you can create invoices and you can receive payments against them. So it's all movable, right? So This is something which is all about QuickBooks. I'll be adding more videos relates to QuickBooks software, which comes with many more features, step by step installation inside QuickBooks menus, receiving payments, receivables, payables, reconciliations, and many more to come, right? So this is something, a short video. I've just started for the first time, so I'll be uh, uh, getting I mean, just it's just a start. So just encourage me to make more videos, and your appreciation will always be there, right? Thank you for calling, and thank you very much for supporting me, and keep watching and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.